Hey everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Crypto Warriors. So in this video, I'm going to review a crypto project. Before this video is not for any financial advices and I am not a financial advisor. So let's start. Alright, so in this video, I will discuss about this project that its potential or not like everything. Hope you guys give me your valuable times. Now as you can see, the website interface in my screen now and the project name is Lido. Like what is Lido? They have a huge ecosystem and their team is doing work really hard right now. They have a huge ecosystem, like you can see the AI image, NFT art, AI chatbot, AI text. Now guys, you can see like Lido, they have a sale which will end in after 4 days. I don't know, but yeah, it will start after like you can say like every information in their website. Now, crypto for all, their ecosystem will make it possible. This team is from China, I think, because you can see the language in there, which is also amazing. And what is Lido actually? Their mission is to simplify access to Web3 and crypto world investments. It includes 40 targets, which are BTC, Ethereum, Polygon, NFT, and artificial intelligence. Now guys, you can see the ecosystem like decentralized platform like Crowd, Wisdom, also their rewards mechanism. Like you can see about this information like decentralized platforms and many more. Also, they have some like these all things you will get in their applications like artificial intelligence, like the NFTs, their Ethereum blockchain, and their applications, which is on Lido. You can see there are daily winners and losers. Like they will copy it from other website. Like we know that as a trader. Like you can say why you should choose their tokens, guys. You can stake their tokens. Like if you buy it, so you can stake Ethereum and you can earn tokens by staking. Obviously, it can help you to generate passive income, but literally this is I'm not interested in the staking force. You can see the amount of Ethereum. Like if you log 2 Ethereum for 30 days, you can only earn 20,000 Trigger tokens. Obviously, I think it's not much. Like if you like right now, is the Ethereum price is around $1,500. So obviously it's around $3,000 and you will get only 40,000 Pico tokens a month. Obviously, it's really low, as I think. And we can see something about the more information about the stakings you will get, and that's why they say that you should choose the tokens. Their ecosystem, guys. This is the ecosystem. Like they are the one of the first platform in Africa and Asia. Like NFTs, artificial intelligence, mobile payment make easy. But I don't think so like that. This is the first platform which is on Africa and Asia. Like I saw that lots of projects which has the same ecosystem in already launched in Africa and in Asia. Also guys, like you can see that like right now is the AI trend because Elon Musk promote AI perfectly. That's why lots of the projects are launched on AI right now, because we can say that it's a trend in bear market. And obviously, you can see another AI trade in the bull run, which can give you a multi-millionaire. Who knows? Like, this is crypto and anything is possible in crypto, guys. So where is the ecosystem about on this project? Like you can see also, you can see the application interface. Their tokenomics. Like you can see the tokenomics and the funding allocation, which is also amazing, like marketing, their business developments, product developments, their confidentiality, also the legal and regulation, the partner and investors and many more you can see. There, Pico token details start at in their acceptable currencies address you will get, and also you can see the total supply of Pico tokens, which is also amazing as I think that. Their roadmap, guys. They have a solid roadmap, not a solid absolutely. I don't like the roadmap personally, because like you can see that in the August, like they are launched their Pico tokens, their website building and community. In September, like the token launch, also then token liquidity. In the December, like just watching their roadmap. Like in the December, they will introduce Pico year aggregator platform and massive markets. Also in the June 2024, like why this time they will take it? Like they will list the token on CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap, KuCoin, and Binance listings. Why? Like, it's okay to list it on KuCoin and Binance listings in June 2024, but why they will list the tokens on CoinGecko and CoinMarketCap in June 2024? I don't know. I haven't answered about this. This is literally disgusting, as I think that. That's why I'm not impressed with their roadmap. And obviously, they are working at coding their roadmap right now. Like in November, you can see that, like in November 2024, they will launch their Pico artificial intelligence and make partnership announcements. Obviously, the April, you can see introduce Pico NFT and community growth. Like this is actually a normal roadmap. I don't think so. Like it's much potential as a to the project. And you can see something about their Lido technical analysis. Also, you'll get their ecosystems, and you will get their social links like Telegram, Twitter, and the Facebook groups. Also, guys, you can contact with them with their website. Like leave us a message, then they will reply with you in their with thought their email. Obviously, guys, you can see something about the peak and they ask questions like, can you explain in detail what is peak Lido is, like how to you buy like cheap to light, also operated only Africa and Asia. You can see any information in their website. Now let's read their white paper, and you must need to read the white paper for all information about this project. And obviously, guys, if you are interested on it, so you must need to read it. What is peak Lido? Like you can see, making a post, understanding project, getting stuff set up, like this is the fundamentals parts, like setting permissions, inviting members, there are like use cases for designers and then for developers. Now guys, let's talk about their piece of information which is upcoming after 3 days, like which will start after 3 days. Like you can see the countdown right now, and you will get information about this project in their website, like their yield farming, Tier 1 influencers on board, synchronized active announcements, pre and post marketing, 0% tax and burn, and many more. Obviously, guys, you can see the minimum buy which is 0.02 Ethereum and the maximum buy which is 12 Ethereum. And guys, this presale is on vesting process, like 10% each thing after 360 days. This is, I think, absolutely great, as I think, cause the vestings, cause it will help you to it will help you to pump the price. As I keep the project, personally I like this, but I think vesting 10% each on 360 days, like this is really absolutely, like I think that much. They can do it like 10% each on every month, so it's okay. We can talk about it. Like, but this is really disgusting for 360 days for 10% each. Obviously, guys, you can see something about their project information, like the photo supply, their soft cap and hard cap, their initial market cap, their recently started entire listing on their liquid percentage is 70%. It's okay. Obviously, guys, and you can see liquidity lockup time, which is 2,500 days after the pull-in. So obviously, it's around 8 days. Literally, as I took the project, I don't think it's possible. But who knows, in this crypto, anything is possible in crypto space. Also, guys, you can see the total metrics about this project, which is also amazing. Like the Pico are locked, their presale, their liquidity. Now let's check it out their X profile, and we can see like they have now 1,265 followers in their Twitter. Like if you saw, like they are really active, but they are not starting their marketings yet. But guys, they are really active in their X profile. Like you can see, like this is really amazing, and this is really good expressions. Now guys, if I discussing about their investment things, that it is really a good opportunity to invest in this project, I said absolutely not for long term, but you can invest in for short term. Like for I'm expecting from this project, my personal opinion, which is minimum 2x and the maximum is 5x, and I will say it part by part if I get any profit. But guys, right now we can see, like as a crypto investors, lots of project which is built on AI, and they are just doing rugged with their investors. So obviously it can be also rugged with us. Who knows? Please make sure to do your own research as always. So that's it about this project. For more info, you can join the Telegram community, and please subscribe this YouTube channel for more to the project. Peace.